Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the wing. We have this brand new wing. I think you saw it either last episode or 2 episodes ago, and those are carbon wrapped, the inner pieces, but these outer pieces were supposed to be wrapped and the material failed a couple times, so Tony said probably not wrap these, but we're gonna go ahead and paint them gloss black. Hopefully they'll match the car pretty well. I'm not even going to do any real prep to them, no sanding or primer or anything like that. We're just going to see how that black coat goes, and if it doesn't go very well, then we can go ahead and sand them down, do a little bit of primer on there so that they stick better, and then recoat it with black. I have another extra can, so I figured might as well try now. Don't have to do extra work. We are kind of holding it up like this so that we can get more of this covered on the bottom side here. As you can see, there's an edge around there, so I'm gonna have to do that, and then yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and send it. I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a test spray because this is an older can and it's been sitting in the garage for a little bit, so it is a little cold. So I don't know, this might not work out too well, but we're just gonna send it. How do we attack this? So as usual, we'll run the 50% base coat, first coat, and then we'll fill it in as it goes. Alright, I've put another coat on the second one. I actually put this one over here to dry a little bit, and it is looking nice and glossy. We're going to have to flip it over and do another coat after this, but that is okay. We'll let this dry for now, and let this one dry a little bit more before applying the last layer. Alrighty, so these are pretty dry by now, I assume. It's pretty cold in the garage right now, so I'm thinking we'll just let them cure overnight because I don't want to risk it and, you know, touch them and scratch them up and all that good stuff. But yeah. Anyways, I will assemble that tomorrow. Alright, I've let these sit overnight. They look decent. They're not probably the best, but yeah, you can see some of that flake and dust in here. It's not the cleanest in here. Maybe we could do a wet sand and then recoat it or repolish it, but for now I think it'll be okay. We're just gonna put these together and slap it on the car today. I have reassembled the wing. It looks pretty good. Got the carbon insert. This one I have to reapply some 3M tape to it before I can put it on the other side. But I'm gonna go ahead and bring the car out. It's snowing outside. Winter Wonderland. Evo, are you cold? Will you start for me today? And I feel like it's not gonna start, huh? So what I'm gonna do now is wipe off the trunk a little bit, kind of let it dry, because I do need to apply some new BPF to the back before we put the wing on, so it doesn't scratch through. Wow! Oh! Okay. Yep. Nope. Come outside. Alrighty, we've put the wing and stuff back on the Evo. Everything looks good. Now we're out going to Cat Forest, hit the snow for some licks. I got the 360 cam. Zahn has to fill up on oil real quick. Zahny boy, we got Eric in the truck out here.
What?
Huh?
What?
What?
I didn't hear you.
Nothing.
Okay.
You're good. I'm just explaining what you're doing.
Oh, yeah.
Dipstick has nothing on it.
It's literally dry.
Jesus. That's no bueno. These Subarus, man. I tell you. Nothing on it, John. Barely a smidge. We're out in Cat 4 Snow Wonderland. Zon's got the wheel. We are struggling, fighting up this right now. Trying to get past this embankment in the middle. I think our rear diff is dragging and it's kicking a lot of snow up into the rear bumper there, but oh yeah, we're having a good time. A little bit of slipping and sliding here and there, but it's all controlled. It's all nice and fun because we got these little walls on the side, so it's good. Alright, so we got this situation. We got stopped here, so we're gonna have to see if Zon can get moving again. Then we'll move him out of the way. We'll see if we can get the truck turned around. We're trying to get up there, but we'll see what happens here. That's a cool effect right there. Little angel. Zon got a lot of snow in the bumpus.
I'm honestly concerned about how I'm gonna get down here.
Yeah. Really slick right now. And well, why don't you go ahead and try first, real quick, and we'll see what happens. We'll be behind you.
More people coming up behind us now.
Uh-oh. This has turned into a fiasco. We'll see if Zon can even start moving. Or if he comes towards me. Oh, he's good. Yeah, he can get moving pretty good there, so we should be fine. We're getting the traction boards out. Have to shove it under there. Alrighty, we successfully got them out of the ditch. Now we got to figure out how they're gonna go upwards and we're gonna go backwards, or we gotta pass them. We don't know.